let's try to solve for the slope of a line for each of these three equations here. We can do that by converting these three equations into their equivalent slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is in this form: y is equal to mx plus b, where m is our slope. Let's do it for our first given. Our first given equation is x plus 3y is equal to negative 6. Let's move x on the other side by subtracting x. We have 3x is equal to negative x minus 6. And if we're going to divide 3 on both sides, we'll have y is equal to negative 1, because we know that it has 1/3. X minus 6 divided by 3, you have your 2. So the slope for our first equation is negative 1/3. Let's move to equation letter B. You have 8x minus 4y is equal to 5. Subtracting both sides by 8x, you have negative 4y is equal to negative 8x, and then you have plus 5. Dividing both sides by negative 4, y is negative divided by negative is positive. You have 2x, and you have minus 5 over 4. The slope for this second equation is positive 2. As for the last equation, you have 4x minus 9y plus 3 equals 0. This equation is in general form, but you don't need to worry. Again, move all other terms on the other side. Subtracting both sides by 4x, you have minus 4x, and as well as subtracting 3. Dividing both sides by negative 9, your slope here is, or your equation would be y is equal to positive 4/9 of x, and then minus or become positive 1/3. 3 over 9 is 1/3. So the slope for our third equation is a fraction, which is 4/9. There is also another way in order for us to solve for the slope of a line using these equations. We just simply need to use the idea that in either general or standard form, this is our structure. So it's in standard form, this is our structure. In general form, C would be on the other side. The slope is just automatically the result of negative a over b. The a for this first equation is 1. So you have negative 1 over your b, which is 3. So negative 1/3. That's correct. For our second equation, our a is 8. So 8, or negative of 8, over your b, which is negative 4. That's why it will result to positive 2. And finally, for this, you have your a, which is 4. So negative of 4 over negative of 9, which gives us this result.